Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome to today's video, and today I have something very unique to show all of you. When you think of the store IKEA, you think of a lot of things. You can think of reasonably priced furniture that's of decent quality. You can think of college students looking to furnish their dorms for a reasonable price. Or if you're like me, you think of things like the Swedish meatballs and my personal favorite, the cinnamon rolls that they sell. But if there's one thing that you don't think about when you think about IKEA, it is supernatural. It is tarot card reading. But today I'm going to show you something very fun that was brought to my attention through one of my close friends. We were hanging out and somehow we got in the conversation, I can't even remember, of tarot card reading. I believe I mentioned that my girlfriend Jessica recently got into it, and over the past couple of years, she acquired a few tarot card decks. And one of my close friends, I don't know if they wish to remain anonymous or not, so I'm just going to keep them anonymous for the sake of this video. They brought to my attention that there is an existence of an IKEA-themed tarot card deck. And I thought this was very interesting. I thought this could be a fun little gift for Jessica. So I did a little bit of research, and unfortunately, this tarot card deck was originally hosted on Etsy, but the store and the link to it has since been shut down. I would presume by IKEA themselves, simply because, again, their license and likeness are being used without permission. But I did a little bit of digging, and I looked around, and I did manage to find a website that prints decks of cards on demand. I originally hoped I could probably find a deck on eBay, but I found a website called makeplayingcards.com. And what they do is they print out different sets of cards, playing cards, tarot cards, whatever, and they print them basically on demand. The cards are not made until you place your order for them. And I saw the listing for the IKEA tarot card deck, which you're seeing now. It's one of those websites that essentially doesn't show a ton of pictures, so I was very skeptical about it being the right thing. But I did see that the website took PayPal, so I figured, you know what, we'll take a chance at it. If it doesn't turn out, I at least have a pretty good chance of getting my money back. So this isn't a paid advertisement for them. This is not an endorsed video or sponsored or whatever. This is just me showing you something that I think is very unique. And on screen, going through every single card because I want to show you guys every single card in the deck. It has all the major minor suits. I myself am not really a tarot guy. I'm not really into the supernatural, but I am kind of intrigued about it. And my whole thing is if people are excited enough to be excited about the things they're passionate about, it's kind of fun to learn a little bit more about it. You know, it's like that whole concept of your favorite song isn't your favorite song until you've heard it for the first time. So you never really know what you like until you do. So anyway, on screen, we're just going through every single card. And yeah, I figured I would just show this off to you guys. All in all, from the time I ordered it, for them making the deck to shipping it out, it was about a week and a half to just shy of 2 weeks. Whether that be because of COVID-19 or the fact that they actually had to manufacture this thing on demand, I don't really know for sure. But I'll have links in the description box below to where you can order your own IKEA tarot card deck. It was about like $26, $27 when I purchased it. And with tax, it came just shy of like $32, something like that. You know, your prices may vary. Obviously, stores can change their prices at any time. You know, YouTube videos are kind of a time capsule. This website may or may not even exist by the time you see this video, if anyone sees this video at all. So that being said, I will have links to makeplayingcards.com and specifically to the IKEA tarot card deck if you want to check it out and possibly get one of your own. But anyway, yeah, whether all the cards have shown up on screen, I'm recording this voiceover after I recorded the footage, so I don't know where exactly in the unboxing we are, but I'm just going to say goodbye right here while you witness the rest of the cards being unboxed. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support. Thanks for checking out my video, and enjoy the rest of the viewing of the cards. Have a good one. We'll see you next time. Take care.